Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be checking out my new Simple Dimples. So let me turn the camera and then there. And now we have my Simple Dimples. So there's some fidget spinner ones. There's like more than just the regular ones. And we today we're going to be trying them out. And at the end we are going to do a challenge. And after the challenge, that's the end. And there's some trash around because they're just the bags from the Simple Dimples. So let's try the first one out, which is this. Let's try it. Cool. And now let's do this side was the quiet side and this is the loud side. There. And this one can spin too. It's like a fidget spinner. And then we got to this other Simple Dimple. It doesn't really spin, but you see how my hands is just getting on the wrong one, but it's just because I'm looking through the camera. So now I have this other Simple Dimple. We got, so this is the loud side I'm doing. Then we got, that one was red and this one is brown and this one is purple, green, orange, and the last one is blue. And now the quiet side is right here. So again, red, brown, purple, wait, just this thing got in there on the way. So now green, orange, and lastly is blue. And you might be hearing some of the pops in the quiet side because it's a kind of big, but we're moving on to the next one. Then we got another fidget spinner one, and now let's start popping. So this one, purple, orange, red, and blue. And this was the loud side. And then we got purple, blue, red, and orange. Then pop in good, and then on to the next one. Oh, I forgot to spin this. My bad. And so there, spinning. Cool, right? And now the next one. This one doesn't really spin that well, but it pops good. So this is the loud side. We got cyan, blue, purple, orange, green, and then this is the quiet side. Blue, cyan, green, orange, and purple. This one doesn't spin just to tell you again, so it doesn't really spin that good. Yeah, but it spins kind of good, but not really. And now, since I popped all of them, now it's time to do the challenge. So, oh, okay. Give me a second because the challenge is going to have the loud side. So just give me a sec. I'm gonna check all of them. See ya. Might take a while. Okay, so this one is good. Now the next one is this one. This one's good. Oh, this one's on the quiet side. There, now it's on the, yep. Okay, so now I checked through all of them, and the challenge is I bet you can't share, comment, like I bet you can't like, share, or subscribe before I pop all of this in in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Will be an easy challenge. Who won? Now, 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 this is the end of the video. Well, bye. You can buy the Simple Dimples online. Bye.